most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi there, folks. I'm Bob Strupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Planks. The subject today, planks. I hated them until I did them like this. This is actually Brad speaking. Brad hated them until he did them like this.
It's true.
So we're going to show power planks, 2 vertical planks.
Yeah, and those are my
Definitions. He has his own world there.
Yeah, but you'll see why I put him that name and why I like him. And I think there's going to be a number of people who are going to like him as well for something new.
I concur.
Hey, say no more.
By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, go to bobandbrad.com. Go to the giveaway section. We're always giving something away. Not today.
Not today.
Well, it starts tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Yeah.
So tomorrow, I think we're giving away bands tomorrow, right? Yeah, we're actually
yeah.
giving away some of these bands that you're going to be using.
Right, what I got around my neck.
And the anchor, too.
Okay.
So check it out tomorrow. Also, you can go to Facebook. It'll be pinned to the top of the page, the contest that is. Go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program.
Right.
All right, Brad.
Well, Bob, it's a long story, but I'm going to
right.
make it short.
All right.
Planks, we talk about how good planks are, and I think they're a great exercise.
Good stabilizer for the back.
But when I used to do them a few years back, and to get my core stronger for my spondylolisthesis low back problem, they would bother my back. Not so much while I was doing them, but the next day I get a backache every time I did planks. So I quit doing them. And then I did some other exercises, which you can see in some of our other videos.
Sure.
But now I'm going back to planks, but I'm doing them with movement, which other people do. Dynamic movement. So it makes them more functional. It's going to strengthen your back for activities around the house, for other athletic events. And you'll see why. So is there any other questions, Bob?
No, I think we're all set, Brad. Go to work.
There you go. So you do need some resistance bands. We can use this, or you can use the loop. It's going to be the lightweight ones for the vast majority of people.
Yeah, exactly.
Right, and you'll see why in just a minute.
You can't exert a lot of force here.
So you do need to connect one end of the band. You can connect it to the leg of a table, a bed rest. We're going to use the wall anchor because it works so handy, and you'll see why in just a second here. I'm going to connect this up here like this. And so to start with the plank, you may start on doing these, which are a nice exercise, but we're going to modify it with this, and we're going to get some rotation involved.
Now, one thing, look at what he's doing. He's rotating everything out all as one unit.
Right.
He's not just rotating his back like this, and that's important that you do it that way because there's no stress on the back that way. Besides being helpful stress.
I'm getting tired, Bob.
I can see that.
Now, you also want to do the other direction and do like a punch underneath your chest and rotate just like Bob mentioned.
Yeah, again, it's all like a log. The buttock and the back and the legs are all moving together.
And I can feel my core working all the way around. Now, if you feel comfortable with that, you want the next step up, a little more challenge. It's here and start down here. And all the way back and all the way forward. There we go.
Yeah, I can see you're working, Brad.
I'm only going to do about 5 of these, but you do as many as you feel comfortable. I would start with 5, work up to 10.
Did you want to show this one too, Brad?
Yep. If you don't have these bands, but you do have the loops, they work very well. You want to hook it up to that.
Which one? This one?
Yep, there's right there. Doesn't matter. There you go.
Are you okay with that?
Yep. So same thing as if you don't have a handle, but it works just as well. That way you don't have to go buy, if you already have some big loops, you don't have to go ahead and buy the bands unless you really want to. And we do have this is actually going to be a Bob and Brad loop kit.
Yeah, right.
All right.
Finally made.
Now, the next one. Now, obviously you're going to do it on both sides. I'm not going to do it that way, but so you're going to be your right hand and do it like this as well as the first one. But you can do that on your own. We're going to go to the next one, which I call the swimmer's pole. Your body, instead of being perpendicular to the wall, is in line. And we'll do it this way. Again, both hands you're going to do. I'll demonstrate just one side. And it's the same motion that you do as if you were swimming the crawl. So just like this, man, and you can just feel that core muscle working. So I'm getting motion.
Interesting enough, you did something similar like this and it really improved your swimming, right, Brad?
Right, exactly.
You
Yeah,
were
if you
doing
are a
it-
swimmer, this is gonna.
You were doing it on a ball though, weren't you?
Yep.
Yeah, he was putting a ball under his midsection and then doing that, and he greatly improved his time by.
Well, Bob, it goes along with all these exercises.
Sure.
I'm becoming strong like bull.
There
you know.
we go. Good
Or
to
I'm
hear.
full of bull, one or the other. Okay, now this one, you 180-degree turn with your body, feet towards the wall, and you could do this on your forearm or your hand, and we're going to do opposite direction, punch forward.
You can do it on your knees too, Brad, or not?
Yeah, you could.
I mean, if you're just beginning.
Yes, yeah, you could do that. All these on your knees. It's going to be, if you're on carpet, this floor is a little hard. It's carpeted, but it's thin. That hurts my knees. So I'm going to go. So you'll understand that very quickly. Get your yoga mat out or whatever you would like to use, and obviously do both sides of that. Now, people that have shoulder problems and weight bearing through your shoulders hurts, or
If
you're
you can't get on the floor.
right.
This is a great option for that.
I call it the vertical plank. Now this, you do need a heavier band. Heavier than the other one, more than likely, especially if your body weight's bigger. There's a dark blue one or the black one. This one's gonna work okay for me. Put it on the wall anchor like that so you got them even. And this is a nice way to work a vertical plank. So you're gonna push out, lock the elbows, stagger your feet a little bit and just lean forward. You don't have to worry about the anchors coming out of the wall. They're rated for over 700 pounds.
As long as you put them into a stud.
Right. You got to put them in the way they're designated. It's
Right.
full instructions on them. And you're just going to hold it there and you'll get a feel for when your stomach's working. And the beauty about these vertical planks, you can also work, people forget about these muscles. You just turn around and you can just lean backwards. I'm going to back up. And with this, I personally would add this to get some arm work in there. But either way, you're working the back muscles, which
Yeah, and what's hard to see here is that all of Brad's muscles are working to maintain them there.
right.
If you weren't, you'd be flying right
Yeah.
into the wall.
Because you can, it's really hard to do planks like this. It's hard
Right.
on your shoulders and very inconvenient. But with these, it's much better.
That solves all those problems.
It does. It makes it
Yeah.
functional. It makes with your exercise carry over into your activities
Right.
every day.
Every day. Yeah, exactly. So,
Bob, I'm
well done,
tired.
Brad. I'm tired for you. I'm just a little exhausted. I might
There you
have to
go.
Take a nap.
New way to do planks. Enjoy them, but be careful because they're not as easy as they look. I'm telling you.
And remember, Brad and I can fix
Oh,
just about anything.
Except
A
for,
broken heart, but we'll work on it.
boy, that fell right in the place, Bob. Did we practice that?
Yeah, I would think we said it a few times. Thanks for watching.
Be careful.